Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the First Aid Beauty Body Acne Clearing Mist. This product retails for $28. Really excited for this body mist from First Aid Beauty. I want to first say I'm going to be using this as a body and face mist. Because looking over the ingredients of this product, it seems to be very simple, yet highlight just the ingredients that it needs to be effective and make a really good formula. First Aid Beauty has a whole new acne collection. I can't lie, this is the only one that looked interesting to me based off the ingredients. The others were a little bit more lackluster. This was simple, yet I feel like it's going to be really effective to be this simple. So I'm excited to see how this performs. And also, as someone who is acne prone, I'm always looking for a new take on an acne fighting mist. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They keep it simple with the ingredients. The ones they want to call out are salicylic acid and glycerin, but they also have zinc, PCA, and some amazing ingredients as well. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The things we're going to be looking for include, does it cause any sensitivity or dryness, since it is a 2% salicylic acid. I also want to see what finish it leaves and how often can I use it. As for anything else, we'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. So far it's been very standard. Nothing to stand out about this product, sadly. There's nothing wrong with that, but for the price point, I know of some more budget-friendly alternatives. I'm going to continue using it though and seeing what else I notice, and I'm gonna show you how it applies on camera right here, but it's a very it's fine. Like, the mister is just kind of there. Like, it definitely spreads. It's just not my preferred delivery of a face mist. I feel like it's just very standard. With a mist style product, because there's not a lot to judge with it, I really do judge the mister. Like, that is real. It's an experience. I have noticed that it's been working well with my acne. I will use this mist during the day and it kind of helps combat a little bit of oil production. It's just very simple and bare bones. That's fine, but it's pretty expensive comparatively. So I'm gonna show you how this applies on the face. It just kind of, ooh, I forget how bad this is. It just kind of hits you. Like, it's like a lot. Anyway, it doesn't leave any finish to the skin. I did experience a little bit of stinging at first when I first started using this product. I think it's just because I haven't used a BHA in a while. It wasn't the best experience with that, but the biggest comparison I'm seeing right now is Naturium's Acne Body Mist. Very similar to this ingredient list wise, and has a continuous, nice mister for so much of a better price point. So I'm going to continue using it, seeing what else I notice. This is just very, I don't know what First Aid Beauty was doing with this collection. From the looks of it, it seems to be very standard and just very cheap feeling, which I hate using that. I know it takes a lot to make skincare products, but with the $30 price point of this, I would have expected a better mist experience. I don't know, it just is very like in your face. I've been using this every other day and I've only used it twice before this. I'm gonna see if I can use it more often and also just continuing to do a comparison. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this mist. I was not a fan of this product. I like simplicity in skincare and I feel like it is beneficial in some formulas. This, for some reason, is not one of them. First of all, I feel like with a face mist that is this expensive, I would like to have a nice delivery system to it. I'm very picky about my face mist. This one was so abrasive, would not evenly distribute, and was just very like hit you in your face. Very abrasive face mist. That's a side topic of this whole video, but I was not a fan of that aspect of it. I also feel like with a body mist, it would be more beneficial to have a 360 mist. There is a reason why I'm saying that, and I'll get to that later. But this mist had all of the necessary ingredients to make a very simple, effective body and face acne mist. I was excited by that approach to it. I found this mist though to be a little bit dry drying, caused some initial sensitivity. It wasn't anything too bad. There wasn't really anything in here that made it stand out from, say, the Naturium body face mist, which I feel like is the perfect, more budget friendly and more enjoyable experience to a face mist, body mist when you're treating acne. This ingredient list I feel like could have used some more nourishing ingredients in it, just because I felt that it was delivering a little bit too intense of an acne treatment to my face. Now this is a body mist. Your body is able to tolerate more than your face skin, but I didn't like using it on my body because of how uneven it would distribute. It just kind of went everywhere. The mist experience wasn't the best, and it was still drying on my body skin as well. Even after using lotion and moisturizing like I normally do, I noticed that this mist was just way too drying for the skin. Wasn't an enjoyable experience at all, and for the price point, I would much rather go for the Naturium. I don't really understand this collection. I feel like they are overcharging for this product in my personal opinion, because Naturium was able to make a really beautiful face mist with a much more luxurious feeling looking experience. And I like the formula of that product better. It was a little bit more elegant, a little bit more nourishing and hydrating to an acne treating mist with salicylic acid. So ultimately, I wouldn't recommend this product. I didn't enjoy it. The rest of the collection I was not really interested in trying, and this one I do not like. I just don't see the point in investing this much in a body or face mist, especially if I don't like using it on both. I didn't like using it on any part of my body, my face. It just wasn't an enjoyable experience for me. The Naturium is much better of an experience in my opinion, and additionally, it is such a better price point. There are so many acne treating mists on the market. You could also use a hypochlorous acid mist on your body as well. Just use it like you would on your face, almost like a hand sanitizer for your face, for your body. That doesn't have salicylic acid, but still there are plenty of salicylic acid face mist and body mist out there that I would recommend. Peach Slices also has a wonderful option. I'd recommend any of those over this. It just didn't have the quality that made me feel like it justified the price point. I ultimately tell you all where I would put my money, and it's not in this product. I would much rather just go for the Naturium. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe, because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.